Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcwen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss some problem in Java language. So go to the computer screen. Hello friends, today I discuss another topic which is static factory method in Java language. Okay, so actually the static factory methods are such methods those return an instance of the class, right? If the constructor of a class is defined as private, then we cannot create an object for that class from outside of it. Okay? This is the case where we need static factory method in Java language. Okay? So go to the Java IDE. I will provide an example of static factory method, right? So now I write the example within this Java IDE for static factory method is concerned. Okay, so at first we write here a class named test. Okay, and within that, suppose we define two variables, one is int x, another is int y. Okay, now I define a constructor which is defined as a private. So just write private test. Okay, and within that, suppose we write here to initialize this variable x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Okay, now what happened? Within that class we are defining static factory method. Okay, so just write public static and return type should be the object, and here it will type like test because it will return instance of the class test, so that's why return should be the class name. Okay, and suppose we put the method name get object, and within that suppose we write return new test. Why? Because I'm already told in case of static factory method is concerned, it will return the object of the class. Okay, now this is the end of your class test. Now we define here another class example where we define our main method. So just write here public static void main, as an argument just send string array, means string args. Okay, and within that we are just write test t is an instance variable, and just write here test dot get object method. Okay, and after close it by semicolon, and then we want to print the value of x and y. So just write system dot out dot println, and just within double quote write x equal, and after we write plus t dot x and close it using semicolon. Same way we just write system dot out dot println, and same way within double quote just write y equal, and after just write plus t dot y and close it. Okay, so this is the program where we establish static factory method in Java. Okay, now I just execute this Java program. So now we just go to the run button and just press the run option. Okay, and save that file, and just see within the console the output will be x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Okay, so this is the example through which we can establish static factory method in Java, where what happened, the constructor is defined within the class as private, so we never create the object of that class from outside of it. Clear? Should remember, a static method with returns the instance of the class by executing the private constructor of the class. This is known as static factory method, right? I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcwen. Thank you and bye bye.